Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial on how to crochet the easiest socks ever. This is super easy and simple to make and yet gives a brilliant result with perfect fitting. I have also made a similar video earlier using knitting technique. If you want to check it out, you can find it at the end screen. Well then, now let's begin. I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. I'll begin by chaining 30. Chain 30 is for small size and you can get the free pattern from my website www.loosehandicrafts.in. You can also get the instant printable download version for various sizes, small, medium, large and extra large from the link provided in the description below. Okay, so I have chained 30. I am going to chain up one more. So 30 plus 1, I have a total of 31 chain. Now, we will not be working in this stitch, but we will work in the second stitch, one single crochet. And then, we will put one single crochet into the next, one more single crochet into the next stitch, and we will do this all across the row. Now at the end of the row, we will chain up one, chain one and turn the work. Then we are going to put one single crochet into the first stitch. So one single crochet, second single crochet into the next stitch, and we will put one single crochet into all the stitch all across. You should have a total of 30 single crochet, and we will put one last single crochet into the last stitch, chain up one, turn the work, and we will repeat this. So continue putting 30 single crochet into every stitch for 38 rows. I am at the end of row 38 and this is what my work looks like. It's just a rectangular piece. I'm gonna lay it down flat and show you the measurements. So with your inch tape or a scale, you can measure your work, and this measures about 7 inches. It's a little less, but this is fine. For a foot size of 9 inches, this should be okay because this project is gonna stretch. So crochet a few inches less than the actual foot size. See, it stretches. Now this is the final row. Chain up one, turn your work, and we are going to put one single crochet into the first stitch, one single crochet, and then we will single crochet two together. For that, we are going to pick up the front loop only, one front loop, and pick up another front loop from the next stitch. Then pull the yarn through both the loop together and then single crochet. Once again, pick up the front loop, another front loop, pull the yarn through both the loop and then single crochet. So we'll do one more time. We will single crochet two together by pulling up the front loop of 2 stitches and pull through both the loop, and you continue to do this for the whole row. At the end of the row, you will see it curling up, and we will complete it by putting one single crochet into the last stitch. Now we will put one single crochet all along the side, 3 single crochet into the corner, one single crochet across, 3 single crochet into corner, one single crochet up, and then 3 single crochet into the last corner. Now we will put 2 single crochet into this corner because we had already put one single crochet from when we finished the last row. Then one single crochet into every stitch, 1 single crochet here, 1 single crochet there, and put 3 single crochet into all the corner stitch and 1 single crochet into every side stitch, and I will see you once you have completed that. And this is what it looks like after it is completed. It evens out the edges and gives a nice finishing touch. So to complete, we will put 3 more single crochet into the last stitch, and now we will slip stitch it to the next stitch available. Slip stitch once, slip stitch twice, chain up 1 to secure, and then leaving a long tail to sew in later, we can cut off the yarn now. Now just pull the yarn, pull it through and tighten the stitch. Okay, next we are gonna sew this up to form the socks. With the long tail towards our right hand, we are going to pass the needle in and out the stitches like this. Pass all along to the other end of where we had just decreased, and just pull to close up the toe area. Now I'm gonna fold my work like this, and this will become the wrong side. So I will fold it inwards, wherein the wrong side is facing outwards, where we will be working the stitches or sewing it up. Now I'm gonna close up the toe area. Take a small stitch from the other side and pull the yarn. Now you can adjust how much of a hole you want to leave in the toe area. If you do not want, you can close up the hole completely. It's totally up to your choice. Take 1 more stitch in the same and secure it by knotting it off. You secure the stitch, and now that's secure. Just to make sure that the number of stitches are equal on both sides, we will align them like this and cross check it. Now that they are equal, we can go ahead and sew up the socks. For this, we are going to whip stitch it only through the front loop of both the sides. We will pick up the front loop from this side, then the other loop from that side, and just stitch it. Pick up this loop and that loop and simple whip stitch it. So continue to whip stitch until you reach the middle of the work. So I will meet you when you have reached here. I have stitched it up halfway, and now I'm ready to fasten off. For this, I'm gonna knot off once. I'm gonna knot off once again. And now I'll hide the remaining tail. And now I'm gonna cut off the yarn. So just trim off the remaining tail, and that's it. That part is done. Now for the heel area, just arrange it well, align them, and using the same thread, I'm gonna pass through both the loops here. I don't need a ribbing on the heel area, so I don't mind if I pass through both the loops. So I'm gonna pass them through and secure my stitch. Tie it once again. Pass the needle through the same stitch once more. And now I'm gonna simple whip stitch it all through the end. And I'm taking the small tail along and hiding it as I whip stitch it, because I don't have to hide it later on and it is secure this way. So continue to do this all the way till the end. Secure the end of the stitch by knotting it off once. I like to knot it off twice so that it is more secure. So I knot it off and then I'm gonna hide the tails, remaining tails. Cut off the yarn. And now for the big reveal. Let's turn the work inside out and see how it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Turn it out. And you can see the nice ribbing here on the front because of picking it only through the back loop and the front loop. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. So here I go. So here's the sock we just made together. Please ignore my legs and focus only on the socks. Anyway, it fits me perfectly and it is so comfortable. I love it so much. What do you say, guys? Oh wait, just a small tip. It's not for everybody. For me this is quite alright, but if you think the ankle area is too wide, you can just stitch up a few more stitches closer to the ankle and that should fix it. And that's a bonus I forgot to mention in the knitting video. Alright, let me know which version do you like more in the comment section. And so that's it, guys. You can find the link to the instant printable download in the description box should you need to alter the sizes. And if you end up making these socks, I would love to see your work, so please tag me on my social media pages on Instagram at loose_handicrafts and Facebook page at loose_handicrafts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I appreciate all your support and love to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank you so much, you guys. Lots of love to all my viewers. Take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. Until next time, bye bye.